Take a look at this beautiful home right here in Canyon Lake, Texas. It is gorgeous landscaping. You're gonna love it. Take a look at this open floor plan, light and bright. I love these vaulted ceilings. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, split floor plan. It's beautiful. Take a look at this amazing backyard, fully fenced, and it is beautifully landscaped. Take a look at these gorgeous crepe myrtles. This great patio is right off the back door and connects to this beautiful backyard. Very relaxing. Message me for more information or to schedule a private tour. Thanks.